What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we got an axle booth of a Mini that needs to be replaced, and unfortunately for us this is on the side of the gearbox, let's say in the middle. So we got the side that goes into the gearbox, then we got a carrier bearing right here, and then we got a part of the axle where the booth is completely torn off. And then we got the normal side on the wheel. So what we're going to do is take the wheel off, make sure that we got nice access to the axle as well, and then with our spreader spread the booth all over the axle, and then find a way to fasten the axle clamps. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video, our first video after our holiday. We still have some backlog of work from our normal work, so that's why we decided to upload a how-to video. As always guys, thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.